गुजरात अपने कल्चर हेरिटेज, महान संस्कृति, भव्य मंदिरें, आर्कियोलॉजिकल साइट्स और इकोनॉमिकल रिफॉर्म्स के लिए भारतवर्ष में सबसे जाना पहचाना राज्य है। भारतवर्ष के सबसे समृद्ध राज्य गुजरात के पश्चिमी छोर पर बसा शहर भावनगर गुजरात का 5वां सबसे बड़ा शहर है। भावनगर शहर एक ऐतिहासिक शहर है जो अपनी सिटी प्लानिंग और मॉडर्न एवं कंटेम्प्ररी आर्कियोलॉजिकल मॉन्यूमेंट्स के लिए प्रसिद्ध है। भावनगर अब राज्य का अत्याधुनिक शिक्षण केंद्र के भांति भी उभर रहा है।
GMGC has the finest infrastructure with a sole intention to produce world-class engineers and pharmaceuticals for converting global challenges into opportunities with expert teaching methodology and excellent placement record. GMGC has the perfect math syllabus to congregate the growing demand of qualified engineers in diverse fields. The vision and mission of GMGC is to form a community with unified sense of purpose and direction. It is one of the premier institutes for imparting quality technical education, keeping pace with an ever-changing world of science and technology.
Our vision is to recognize one of the top institutes in Western India. Our mission is to create an environment of effective learning and innovation to transform the students into dynamic, responsible and productive professionals in their respective fields so that they are capable of adapting to the ever-changing needs of industry and society. GMGC has trained competent and highly dedicated faculties to impart theoretical as well as practical and industrial exposure to the students.
I am happy to express our vision to develop our students from all angles. We believe that our students, those who are passing through this campus, should possess the good ethical and moral values. They should have a good knowledge and skill of particular program, and they should be a global competitive.
देखा जाए तो गुजरात में ज्ञान मंजरी नाम ही काफ़ी है। पश्चिम गुजरात के शिक्षण स्थानों में ज्ञान मंजरी ग्रुप ऑफ कॉलेजेस प्रथम शिक्षण व्यवस्था में उभर रहा है। ज्ञान मंजरी ग्रुप ऑफ कॉलेजेस में 4 शाखाएं हैं: बैचलर्स ऑफ इंजीनियरिंग, डिप्लोमा इंजीनियरिंग, बैचलर ऑफ साइंस और बैचलर ऑफ फार्मेसी।
ज्ञान मंजरी ग्रुप ऑफ कॉलेजेस में अभी 2000 से भी ज्यादा विद्यार्थी एनरोल्ड है, जो यूनिवर्सिटी के अभ्यासक्रम के अलावा स्किल डेवलपमेंट प्रोग्राम्स, हैंड्स ऑन इंडस्ट्रियल ट्रेनिंग और एडवांस टेक्नोलॉजिकल अभियान में उत्तीर्ण होते हैं, जिसकी वजह से विद्यार्थी की मल्टीनेशनल कंपनियों में कोर्स पूर्ण होने से पहले ही प्लेसमेंट होने के संयोग बढ़ जाते हैं।
GMGC provides platform to the students to grow their technical knowledge by attending SDP, that is Skill Development Program, with their self-interest. It is perfectly planned and combined with a regular curriculum, which aids our students for a better understanding of the technical knowledge that they require. GMGC also focuses on a continuous interactions with the institutes and the industries, for which GMGC also arranges various workshops and seminars. Industrialists provide platforms to the potential engineers to deal with the various domains of the industry. GMGC has designed a practicable syllabus on the requirement of the industries.
GMGC has completed various MOUs with different domain industries. Students are regularly exposed to the actual work environment of various industries, for which hands-on training is offered to the students both on the conventional as well as advanced techniques. GMGC has started mentorship programs for which faculties can discuss their career development as well as their personal life.
The another most important factor for the development of the students is an environment. We are trying to provide a best environment so that students can have all the kind of exposure. They could have all the kind of equipments. They could have all the kind of infrastructure. They could have all the kind of industrial licensing.
ज्ञान मंजरी ग्रुप ऑफ कॉलेजेस का इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर यानी कि स्टेट ऑफ द आर्ट 5.5 एकड़ में फैले GMGC कैंपस में सभी तरह की अत्याधुनिक व्यवस्था है जो मन लुभाने वाली है। कैंपस में जरूरी व्यवस्था जैसे कि स्मार्ट क्लासरूम, अत्याधुनिक इक्विपमेंट से सुसज्जित लैबोरेटरी, मल्टीमीडिया और विशाल गार्डन है।
Every college makes a strong foot for all with the concrete infrastructure. GMGC provides vast premises, gives imparting education to all the students in the most unimaginable ways. GMGC provides various facilities available on the campus for all the students. All classrooms are ventilated and equipped with projectors. GMGC is spacious with medical, Wi-Fi and power backup facilities. GMGC also provides bus transportation facilities to all the students available in the campus from different locations to the campus.
To facilitate banking facility for the student and staff, GMGC have a branch of Corporation Bank functioning near the campus to make banking easier. The Central Library of GMGC has the access full of knowledge distributed in a wide area and brought with a marvelous collection of books and literature. Another feature of a library that ornaments to its value are the digital library domain. There is a part of the main Central Library itself which features several computer notes and NPTEL courses with internet access for students to expand their horizons. The library has more than 25,000 books, almost of every subject. It functions as an excellent resource center for the students who pursues academic, training and research interest. In addition to classroom sets, GMGC also gives a platform to practically implement the knowledge in various high-tech labs. GMGC also conducts a workshop on various technologies such as PCL SCADA, MATLAB, IoT, Java, AutoCAD and many more. These workshops give us an edge and make us better from others.
Everything is theoretically impossible until it's done with a motto in mind. Our curriculum is built where more and more practical applications are imparted through our faculties. To be inquisitive and to thinking independently, to remain updated and nurtured in the beautiful atmosphere. GMGC provides us varieties of clubs with its own vision and mission to create a future way better than our present.
अद्भुत इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर के साथ साथ GMGC में 18 क्लब्स एक्टिव है. These clubs at GMGC not only nurture us, but it guides us, motivates us, brings out best in us. GMGC houses well-equipped state-of-the-art laboratories with a sophisticated instrument with a computer facility.
Every year GMGC organizes cultural and technical events. All these events are managed by students so that they can get various chances to participate and manage various activities. And the best part is that they can learn various things apart from the academics. This participation also helps students to develop their team building skills and managerial skills.
Faculties of EPSL motivate students and teach them how to break through challenges by arranging mock interviews, soft skill programs, group discussion.
Successful innovators are invited to join the BATIC where they are mentored and supported. The major objective of BATIC is establishing an integrated facility to develop medical devices, device manufacturing and testing, facilitating bench-to-bed translation and training suitable human resources. The journey usually begins from a medical device innovation camp where the participants are trained on how to define, develop, deliver and deploy a medical device.
GMGC also provides seamless services for promoting internship movement, with believing that entrepreneurs need not necessarily be born, but they can be trained and developed through well-conceived, well-directed. इसके अलावा 12 स्टूडेंट चैप्टर्स जिसमें CED, ISTE, NPTEL, कंप्यूटर सोसाइटी ऑफ इंडिया जैसे जानी मानी संस्थाओं के साथ एसोसिएशन है.
So if you are looking for an institute that has been well established with a view to upgrade an upcoming generation to meet the emerging changes in the areas of science and technology, do visit GMGC.